Yo guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. My name is Jaser. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to add the PokeMod mod to the TCG Card Shop Simulator game, which is pretty fun. I've actually been playing it here on the channel. I have a couple videos out. If you guys want to check those out, I have them linked down below. But today I'm gonna be showing you how to install the PokeMod. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys do, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Really do appreciate it. Helps the video get out there, and I really do appreciate that. So without further ado, let's show you how we install the mod, shall we? All right, guys, here we are. We're at the page. I will have a link down below, so it makes your job a lot easier to find. Now, there are going to be a couple things that you guys need to download because I'm going to go in the aspect of you have not downloaded any of the mods. So this is your first time downloading them. If you guys have already done any of these steps, you can just skip them. But we're going to download a few things that we do need. So if we go here at the PokeMod page, if you go to description, it tells you that we need to download these two before we actually download the new PokeMod 3.1 version. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. But before we actually do that, we're going to go to files here at the PokeMod, and you have that 3.1 version right there. But the first one you actually want to download first is this bottom one, which is this PokeMod, the Pokemon TCG version 2.8. Now you guys want to make sure you guys download that. So you'll click on that, you'll hit manual download. Now you actually do have to have an account signed in to be able to download files, which is free. So you guys just put your email, set a password, create an account, bam, boom, easy peasy. You guys create an account. Now you hit download, and you'll be brought up here. You hit slow download, and you'll begin that download. And it is a slow download, so it might take like 5 minutes to do so, but you'll go ahead and do that. I won't do it because I already downloaded it. So you'll go ahead and do that first, and then that'll be done. Now, the next thing we want to go ahead and download is the Bepen X download as well. So you go here, you go to files, you'll hit manual download, and you'll get that going. Same thing, slow download. If you guys have the paid version, it'll be a faster download. Cool, you'll get that done. And then the last one will be texture replacer. Well, not last, so I'll actually have to download another one right here. But the next one will be texture replacer, which you'll download this one right here, the texture replacer 1.0.0. So you'll go ahead and download as well, slow download. And the last one that we're going to go ahead and download, you'll go back to the front page here. We have description, and you go to files, and you go back here, and you'll download the PokeMod TCG 3.1 version. That will be the last one. So you'll go ahead and repeat the process. You'll download that one, and then once you have all that, you want to extract them onto your computer, which I have them right here. I have these 4, so we're ready to go. The first one is the 2.8 version, and the last PokeMod one is the 3.1 version. So make sure you guys have it like that. Now the next thing you want to go ahead and do is go to Steam, search up TCG Card Shop Simulator, go to manage, browse local files. We'll go ahead and open Card Shop Simulator data right here. You have all these files, which I highly recommend you guys actually back up these files in a separate folder. Go ahead and copy all of them and paste them to a separate folder, just so if you guys want to go back to the original game, you guys can do so. So right here, I did the folder right here, TCG Card Shop original files. So I copied all of them right here. So again, if you guys want to go ahead and go back to the original game, easy peasy, you guys can just go to that file, copy those, and just go back to those files right there. So we'll go back, manage, browse local files, Card Shop Simulator data right here. So we'll go ahead and have that open on the side. We'll go ahead and go to the Pokemon mod here. We'll go to game files. These will copy, and then we'll bring them over here, replace files, bang, bang, boom. That's done. We'll go back. Now we'll head over to Bepen, and then we'll go ahead and same thing. We'll go here. We'll get this folder, and you'll copy it, and then you'll place it right here. Right here, you already see I already have it placed. So you'll place that right there. Easy peasy. Should be good to go. You guys will place that. The next one will be the texture replacer, which we'll go ahead and open this up. We'll copy it, close that, go back over here to Steam, manage, browse local files. We'll go to the Bepen plugins, and then right here, we'll paste it. So there it is. Bam, that's done. Now, the next thing that we want to go ahead and do is go back after the texture. We go back to the PokeMod here. We go to the plushies. We copy these. Bam, copied. Then we go back to Steam here. Manage local files. We'll go back to the Beppin. We go to plugins, texture replacer. You go to object meshes. And then right here, we want to go ahead and paste these. Bam, those are done. We back out. And now we're down to the last step, which is, of course, this one right here, the 3.1. So we'll go ahead and get this. Actually close all that. We'll open this. So we'll go ahead and actually go back over here and go to this description. Now that we have both these downloaded, we want to download this new update, the 3.1 PokeMod. So once that's done, copy the folder into your Steam apps common directory when prompted. So we'll go ahead and do that now. We'll go ahead here. We'll copy that. And then we'll open up Steam. Hit that, manage, browse locals files. And then right here, we should see common. And then here, we should be able to paste it. Replace all files. Bam, that's done. We should be able to close that now and boot up the game, and should be working now. Let's go ahead and see. All right, guys, we booted up the game. Now you guys can see we have the PokeMod right here downloaded. So that's definitely a good sign to see. You hit up load game. We'll load it up, and you can also see the Pokemon cards right here as well. So that's another good sign that you actually did this good. And boom, there it is, guys. We come in here. We have the Pokemon Center, Jace's TCG shop right here. We have some booster packs right there for Pokemon. We can actually go in here and see you have all the textures of the Pokemon right there. That's pretty cool. The boxes are now Pokemon. You actually also have the background music as well, which is pretty cool. We can actually just go in here and see these packs that we have on the wall already. So we'll go ahead and actually open some here on video so you guys can see. We'll get this one. We'll open it. Bam, that's pretty cool. Croconaw, nice. So there it is, guys. It is downloaded. That is pretty sick. Very nice. Cool pack right there. Now everything is Pokemon. That's so cool. We can actually open up our catalog here. These are some of the ones that I already have. Again, the ones that transferred over. Lugia, that's pretty sick, man. That is sick. Bayleaf. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you download the PokeMod here mod for TCG Card Shop Simulator. Hopefully this helped you guys out. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Peace.